The 2026 Ford Mustang GT is here, and it's everything muscle car enthusiasts have been dreaming about. As one of the most iconic names in American performance, the Mustang GT has always represented power, attitude, and freedom. For 2026, Ford has refined its muscle machine to deliver a thrilling driving experience wrapped in aggressive styling and loaded with modern technology. This isn't just a refresh, it's a bold leap into the future of performance coupes, and it stays true to the Mustang's legacy while evolving for a new era. At the heart of the 2026 Mustang GT is the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, now more powerful than ever. With improved air intake systems, refined valve timing, and optimized exhaust flow, this naturally aspirated powerhouse produces an impressive 500 horsepower and over 420 pound-feet of torque. The roar of this engine is pure Mustang, deep, aggressive, and unmistakable. Mated to either a 6-speed manual gearbox for purists or a 10-speed automatic for those seeking maximum acceleration, the Mustang GT delivers explosive performance with razor-sharp throttle response. Acceleration is blistering, with 0 to 100 km/h times comfortably in the low 4-second range. Whether you're launching from a stoplight or tearing down a backroad, the 2026 Mustang GT puts raw power at your command. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Thanks to a reworked chassis, improved MagneRide adaptive suspension, and upgraded Brembo brakes, this Mustang handles like a true sports car. Body roll is minimal, cornering grip is impressive, and feedback through the steering wheel keeps the driver fully engaged. On the outside, the 2026 Mustang GT embraces its heritage while evolving into a more aggressive and aerodynamic form. The redesigned front fascia features sleeker LED headlights, a bolder grille, and larger air intakes that emphasize its performance roots. The sculpted hood hints at the power beneath, while the muscular rear fenders and integrated quad exhausts give it a planted, road-hugging stance. The race red paint option is especially striking, drawing attention wherever the car goes and perfectly matching the Mustang's bold personality. Inside the cabin, the Mustang GT blends classic muscle car vibes with modern tech sophistication. A fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster offers customizable displays, allowing drivers to choose between traditional analog-style gauges or futuristic track-inspired layouts. The center stack is dominated by a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice command integration, and over-the-air updates ensure the Mustang GT remains connected and current. Material quality has also taken a leap forward. Soft touch surfaces, aluminum accents, and available Recaro performance seats create a cockpit that feels upscale yet focused on driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel, toggle switches, and driver-centric controls remind you this car is built for enthusiasts. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and an optional 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system add a layer of comfort and entertainment that makes the GT as enjoyable on long highway drives as it is on twisty roads. Ford has also packed the 2026 Mustang GT with advanced safety and driver assist features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system provide peace of mind for everyday driving. Track apps are still included, giving drivers access to performance metrics like lap times, G-forces, and launch control settings. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily driver, the Mustang GT provides tools to keep you both safe and engaged. Perhaps the most impressive part of the 2026 Mustang GT is how well it balances old-school muscle with new-school tech. It's a car that respects its roots but isn't afraid to evolve. The chassis is stiffer, the handling is sharper, and the electronics are smarter, yet the soul of the Mustang, the thundering V8, rear-wheel drive dynamics, and rebellious spirit, remains fully intact. In a world where electric and hybrid vehicles are becoming the norm, the Mustang GT is one of the last true V8-powered icons, and it wears that badge with pride. It's a love letter to driving enthusiasts, a machine built not just for efficiency or comfort but for passion and performance. Whether you're looking for a car to take to the track or a head-turning street machine, the 2026 Mustang GT is a modern muscle legend that refuses to compromise. This Mustang is more than a car, it's a statement. And in 2026, it might just be the best it's ever been.